Go to Special. With Go to Special, you get to quickly identify cells of a specific type. So, for example, let's say I want to quickly see the cells that have constants and the ones that have formulas. We can go to Home, find and select, go to Special. And we can also get shortcuts to some of the functionalities of Go to Special. So let's say I want to highlight these cells that have constants. I can select these. And I can immediately see that there are cells which are not selected. This is probably because they have formulas. If I go back to Find and Select, click on the formulas, these cells are being highlighted. If I need to, I can immediately color them with different colors. I can remove the values, change the font, and apply any type of formatting that I need. Now, what else is available under Go to Special? Well, this menu here is more complete. You have more options. You can select objects, current array, current region, or even conditional formats. There is a shortcut key for Go to Special. It's Ctrl+G. To get to the special part, use Alt+S.